SB19 International Group Duo of the Year Award. Breaking news, SB19 wins International Award. Congratulations to SB19 for making history once again as the only Filipino act to win International Group Duo of the Year at the prestigious SEC Award 2025 hosted by Brazil Series M Sena in partnership with MTV Brazil. SEC Awards is an annual event celebrating excellence in film, TV, music, and entertainment. This marks SB19's first international award for 2025, a powerful win for P-pop and Filipino pride on the global stage. Again, congratulations on your three-peat win, Mahalima. Props to 18 community for your endless dedication and support. For voting consistently, SB19 18 is winning again.